How to unlink Google Voice from a device or number. First of all, open the Google Voice app or go to voice.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you are in, tap the menu icon and go to Settings. Scroll down until you see the Link Number section. Here you will find all the phone numbers currently connected to your Google Voice account. To remove a number, tap the cross icon next to the number you want to unlink. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Delete or Remove to confirm. This will stop Google Voice from forwarding calls and text to that number. If you are using a device that's logged into your account, simply signing out will also prevent further syncing. However, to fully unlink the device, make sure to also remove any associated linked numbers from the settings. This feature is especially useful if you have changed number, lost a device, or simply want to keep things more private. Now you know how to unlink Google Voice from a device or number. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.